Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to continue to build our small account with our Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also, make sure you check out my free Forex Telegram channel, link below the video for that also. So now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it. I decided actually to take two trades. First I did this one and I was thinking, I'll take one more. So we made almost $30, super happy with that. The accounts start to grow. Now we grow faster and faster. And when we start to be around $1,000, then start to be fun. So you can run this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.